As the worldwide society is progressing to be bigger day by day, the demands toward electricity is also increasing. The United Nations proposed several agendas under the name of Sustainable Development Goals, which one of them is to provide clean energy in all developing countries that can both encourage growth and help the environment. My name is Panjak Baranaki, representing Politeknik Caltex Riau in Pemilihan Mahasiswa Berprestasi 2018. As one of the developing countries, Indonesia is committed to apply the Sustainable Development Goals proposed by United Nations for the next 15 years. One of the agenda of the Sustainable Development Goals is to provide clean and sustainable energy to support the growth of the infrastructure and efficient electricity. The government effort to support this agenda is by increasing the national electrification ratio in all over places in Indonesia. This agenda is ruled under the Constitution of ESDM number 38 2016 about the acceleration electrification in remote and isolated area in Indonesia, which in fact there are still more than 2,500 villages that still have no electricity. We have heard about renewable energy such as biomass, solar energy, geothermal power, hydroelectric energy, and wind power. The potential of this energy is quite massive in Indonesia. They will be promising to replace fuel energy if being well managed, but focusing on the plan of renewable energy utilization that is not in line with efficiency of fossil energy will only be contradictory. It is possible that we will run out of our fossil energy even before we succeed in developing our renewable energy. One of the efforts that can be done is by increasing the efficiency of electrical consumption in Indonesia through power factor correction in electrical installation in every house. Power factor or COSFI is used to describe reactive power over active power. The value factor of power is between 0 until 1, which means the higher the power factor, the more efficient the power distribution. On the contrary, if the power factor is lower, the reactive power will become higher and the power distribution will become less efficient. In a simpler explanation, if the power factor is lower in an electrical installation, the lower the efficiency. It will exceed the electricity consumption that actually been used. Low power factor can be corrected by using a tool called power compensator. This tool has been in the market, but addressing to the middle class society, since the price is high and it is still used conventional switching concept. The weakness of this conventional concept is the compensation calculation it is still manual, therefore it is not flexible to adjust with the installed load. Therefore, I am developing an idea which is power compensator that can adjust the power compensation automatically by using Arduino control system. After several testing were conducted, this power compensator shows significant change to the efficiency of electricity consumption in a house that is generally using inductive load. Imagine if the use of electricity in every house is efficient, it will save electrical allocation to that area. As a result, the problem of rotating blackouts can be minimized. Then, the surplus that comes from the unused energy can be distributed to several other places in Indonesia that needs electricity. It will support the acceleration of electrification in every area in Indonesia. Therefore, I am developing an idea which is power compensator that can adjust the power compensation automatically by using Arduino control system. After several testing were conducted, this power compensator shows significant change to the efficiency of electricity consumption in house that is generally using inductive load. Imagine if the use of electricity in every house is efficient, it will save the electrical allocation to that area. As a result, the problem of rotating blackouts can be minimized. Then, the surplus that comes from the unused energy can be distributed to several other places in Indonesia that needs electricity. It will support the acceleration of electrification in area in Indonesia.